Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and you need to download Instagram application first, and you need to click on open. And after that you have a page to create an account. I already created, and I can mention link in the description how to create Instagram account. So this is an Instagram account, okay. And from here your story, you can create your story, and you can see other people's stories from here. And here you can see all the notifications that you get, okay. And here you need to click on this icon, so from where you can send messages to people. And you can see request here that you received. And by clicking on this plus icon, you can post story, reel, you can go live as well from here, okay. From here you can search anything that you want to search, and from here you can see reels, okay. And other basic things are that. And click on profile picture, and then you need to click on edit profile. From here you can change your profile picture from here, your name, your username, your pronoun, your bio. If you want, you can add link as well. Then you need to click on three bars and click on settings and privacy, and click on business rules and control, and switch account type. You can switch to personal account, creator account, or professional account, so it is up to you. I already switched to professional account. So these are the basic things that you can do in your Instagram account, and how you can use your Instagram account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.